guys, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade hummus. Don't forget to save 1/4 cup of that chickpea juice. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and juice our lemon to get at least 2 tablespoons of juice, which is really easy with the citrus press. Now that we have that, we're going to start adding ingredients. First, the chickpeas. Then the Great Northern beans. Then we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and the chickpea juice. Now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to add some fresh garlic. And use the garlic peeler to get that. Makes it quick and easy. The actual recipe said to add 1 clove of garlic, but I added 2 because I really like garlic. So now we're going to add that in. And after that, we're going to go ahead and add some sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. And now we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. And that's it for our ingredients. We're going to put the lid back on. And now we're going to mix it up. Use the tamper to mix it around. Just get it moving to make sure it's all nice and ground up. Doesn't take very long. Now that it's nice and mixed up, we are going to stop it and take the blender and go ahead and put it in a bowl. Now I already went ahead and made some roasted red peppers, so I thought I would take the time to cut that into strips and maybe do a nice design on the bowl. Of course, this isn't, required. I just thought it looked nice, and I love the flavor that a little bit of roasted red pepper gives hummus. So it's a win-win there for me. So it looks nice, and it also tastes great. So either way, it's a little extra, but you don't have to do this. You can also add all kinds of stuff. You can add, feta cheese at this point, or some chopped tomatoes, whatever you like. But that's it. It's that easy. Now that I have the hummus finished, I wanted to have something fresh and healthy to dip in it. So I got out my Rapid Prep mandolin, and I thought I'd show you guys how quick and easy it is to make some chips to dip. Or, nice slices. So I cut it up, and it's this easy. So now that I have chips and I have a container to hold them in, I can go ahead and enjoy my treat. It is really good. You guys are going to love it. Thanks for watching.